Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple Telegram bot using Python. This bot can read messages and this bot can roll dice. How it works? Write, for example, roll, write dice, or we can send the bot a number of dice to roll. For example, 2 dice or 3 dice. It works perfectly. Let's get started. First, let's create a bot. From Telebot, let's import this library, install and import package Telebot. Package installed successfully. Next, write Telebot with uppercase and add the token of our Telegram bot. Where to find the token? Go to the Telegram and search the bot folder. Open the bot folder, open a menu and write new bot. Choose a name for your bot. Bot name may not be unique, for example, dice bot. Send, but the username must be unique and end with bot. For example, dice bot. This username is already taken. I found an idle username, dice twice bot, and we have the link to this username and we have the token for this bot. Click on it and token has been copied. Return to PyCharm and paste the token here. After that, let's create a start command bot.messageHandler comments equals start and create the function for this command start with message from a user and what to do when we receive a message start from a user. Let's create a response bot.sendMessage. Let's send a response to the user who sent us a comment chat.id. Next, write the information about this bot. This bot can roll dice. Let's add the emoji with dice. Open the Telegram, write dice, paste it here and copy it. Paste it in our response and let's inform what the user can write to the bot. Send the bot a number of dice to roll, okay? Because the user may want to roll multiple dice at once. Let's run the bot to check how it works. Run the program. Process finished. Because we need to add bot polling row to keep the bot running continuously. Let's restart the program. It is running. Open the Telegram and follow the link to dice twice bot. OK, and press start button. This bot can roll dice. Send the bot a number of dice to roll. Let's send 1 dice, send, and nothing happens because we need to implement this functionality. Copy this code, paste it under. The comment is text message. Instead comments content types is text and function name is dice, for example. Let's add the roll is a random number, integer number from 1 to 6. And now we will pass the value of the die roll to our chat with the user. Roll is an integer variable and in chat we need to use a text variable. Write string of roll. Okay, we run the bot, stop and rerun, open the bot and write, for example, roll. We have the dice roll. We can write any text except start command and we will get a dice roll on any message. Let's add the dice emoji, copy it, paste it and add the plus. We run, send the message. I think it looks better. Let's implement a simultaneous roll of multiple dice if the user enters the number. Return to PyCharm and create a condition in our dice function. If message.text equals 2 or message.text equals 3, then I equals 1 and while I less or equal than integer of message.text, that is if less than 2 or 3, depending on what the user enters, then roll the dice and send message with number. And next, I equals I plus 1. If the message is neither 2 nor 3, then else, then roll dice and send the message to user without conditions. Run the bot and let's add 1. Send, we have the 1 roll, 2, we have 2 rolls, 3, we have 3 rolls. And if we add another text, for example, roll dice, we have only 1 roll. It works perfectly. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, have a good coding. See you next time.